Welcome to the Forex course. Forex, or foreign exchange, is a decentralized global market where currencies are traded. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume of over $5 trillion. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of Forex trading, including how to read currency quotes, understand market analysis and indicators, and execute trades using different strategies. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in the exciting world of Forex trading. Disclaimer: Forex trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Trading in the foreign exchange market can be extremely volatile and may not be appropriate for all investors. Before deciding to participate in Forex trading, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. It is possible to lose all or more of your initial investment, and you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained in this course is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. We will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, which may arise directly or indirectly from the use of or reliance on such information. Please remember that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Let's get started.
First, I want you to make an account in Forex. Go to the link below provided in the description. Hover your mouse if you are in PC or laptop, or tap the registration if you are reusing iPad or mobile phone. Fill up the necessary information listed on the form. Choose your country. Input your phone number or email address. This will be your username. Then choose your password and make sure you will not forget it. Tick check on the 2 boxes for agreement, then hit register.
Make sure that all of these are verified, same as you see in my account. Just go to my profile, then verification to see this page. Go check your email and find the Light Finance verification email, click verify. Then fill in phone number, you must put working number and email address. This is for your security also. In identification, please use a clear photo of your ID for fast verification. Address should be clear and must be working billing address as well. Click the fill in an Islamic account application even if you are not Muslim. This will waive or remove the swap charges, an advantage to us to lessen the fees and charges. To be sure, please edit the change the referral group to this number 6867144447. This is the only way Dhidz can notice that you are under TDLC team. You don't need to do anything and declare your PEP status, simply ignore it. Then you are good to go in making a trading account in Forex. See on MetaTrader topic.